Hello, hello, this is teacher Jacob. Welcome to this class. This is our reading class. This video is for ninth grade. Today, we're going to study, reading class, okay? So pay attention to this because we're gonna study. So go to page 70. This is a reading class. And remember, it's necessary to write the date here. So you need to write July. Today is July 9th, 2020. So you need to write here. Here, you need to write the date. Okay? That's what I need you to write first. Remember, there are three activities that you're going to do with this reading class. First, you need to use a pencil or a pen, or it's possible to use pen or flash color, and then you need to circle first, circle the words that you don't understand. So, for example, I don't understand what it means here, this signs here. I don't understand this, so I give circle. You got it? This. So if I don't understand, I write circle here in this part. All right. So I don't understand. I don't understand each. So activity one, look for the unknown words. The words that you don't understand, you're gonna give circle. So it's necessary circle for the whole page. I mean, page number 70. So you look here. I don't understand what it means late or staff. I don't understand. So you give circle. Activity two is gonna be different because I insist it's necessary to know verbs in English if you want to read in English. I mean, it sounds like repeating again, but it's mandatory to know verbs in present, in past, and also in past participle. But it's necessary, okay? So keep in mind that that is necessary. So, for example, let's do it. Work is a verb, so you need to underline here. And what else? It's change. Okay, here. So another thing, work there. So you're gonna underline with a red color. Remember, red color for verbs and circle for the unknown words. So work, one, look, another, write, another verb. What else? Say, expect, find. Yes, there are many verbs. Read. What else? Here are. Are is a verb. Located. Yeah. Start. In this part, start. Finish. So you need walk and this. Offer. Clean. Notice that how many verbs? Continuing. Yeah, continuing. Yes. Read. To ensure. Ensure is a verb. And visit. So you're gonna give the circles and that's all. So circle words that you don't understand, underlines the words that you the verbs, I'm sorry, underline verbs with a red color. Don't forget, it's mandatory to write in red color, okay? So don't worry about that. Next exercise that I need you to do it's you must have to read. You need to read this with me. I mean, I know English, what I need is you learn how to read. So you are going to read with me. So you are going in your house, you're going to repeat with me. So let's do it. So let's read and repeat. So I want is you listen, read, and repeat. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Reading, stay at hostel. Work in pairs, look at the signs and write a rule for each one and say which rule you would expect to find in a hostel. Okay? So what is this? Don't smoke. What is this? Don't use radio, for example. Okay? What is this? Uh, don't use camera. Don't forbid to be with animals or dogs, pets. 2. Read the hostel's guidelines, guidelines, and mark tick the signs for the rules that are mentioned. The pilgrims next. Welcome located exactly halfway between the start and the finish of the walk. We offer a clean and economical place to rest before continuing on your way. Please read our guidelines carefully to ensure your visit is a happy one. So listen and read. You're going to do it the same. Listen and repeat. You repeat. Checking in. Please sign the register in reception before 5 p.m. You have to leave your passport there for the duration of your stay. You are allowed to check in after 5 p.m., but only if you can call ahead to let the staff you know while be arriving late. Rooms. Eating in rooms is now allowed. You have to be back at a hostel by 10 p.m. Lights out at 11 p.m. As a courtesy to all our guests, you are not allowed to play loud music at any time. You don't have to make up the rooms when you leave, but we do appreciate it if you leave the room tight and throw away all trash. Checking out. You have to vacate your room by 8 a.m. each morning. Please leave the room key in the reception. Don't forget to have your passport stamped. You are allowed to leave your bags at the desk after checkout. We can look after them for you while you have breakfast, but only until 10 p.m. You see? General. Animals are not allowed in the homes. Smoking is forbidden. You are not allowed to smoke anywhere in the hostel. All right? So after reading this, I need is you answer. You're gonna answer the question, so you're gonna mark you're gonna mark the sentence exercise 3. Mark the sentences true or false. So you need to write T or F. Okay. So number 1, you don't need identification to stay at the pilgrims next. So what do you think? Is true, is T, or is F? Okay, I give you 5 seconds. Okay, so it's T, true, because please sign the register reception before 5 p.m. You have to leave your passport. I mean, you need to, you have to do it. So you don't need identification. It's false. I'm sorry. You need. I'm sorry. You don't need identification. It's no. You have. So it's false. It's false. It's F. B. It's fine to have snacks in the room. So I give you 5 minutes. One, two, three. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Okay, so don't worry. Hold on. I'm doing this. I'm looking for something else here. And wow, where is this? Where is this? Okay. Mm-hmm. So yes, the answer is it's fine to have snacks in the room. T or F. So look up here. Where is it? Leave the passport now. In the morning. Okay. Well, let me see. Here. Mm, look here, rooms. So when you are in the room, notice eating is the most eating in the room is not allowed. It's not. It's forbidden. It's not allowed. So it's false. F. Okay, and that's what you need to do. So let's go number C. C. Pilgrim. Pilgrims. Yes, pilgrims. Nest is located near the end of the walk. So I give you 5 seconds. So where is it located? It is near the end of the walk. T or F? It's yes. It's yes. It is false. Yes. Okay. And let's do it. Is false. Okay. So D, you're gonna do in your house. Okay. And that's the class for today. You say this class is not complicated, but I need you to do it in your house. Next class, we're going to have a grammar class. So don't worry. So we're going to do next class this, and you can understand this. Remember, it's good, it's excellent for reading comprehension first, to have vocabulary, to have verbs, a lot of verbs. And also, don't forget, you need to read. You need to read louder, not mentally. Mentally, of course, is necessary. But in this moment, I need you listen, read, and speak. So don't forget, you have to repeat after me. Okay? And then you go to the comprehension. But first is understand what are you doing. All right, this is teacher Jacob. I hope so you have enjoyed this class, and I hope so you understand how the classes are gonna be. And see you next class. See you on for you. See you on Monday. On Monday, we're gonna have the next class is gonna be about grammar class. So grammar class is gonna be simple. Okay. So it's time is over. And bye bye.